What's up, guys? This is Noah of Wagner's Mobile Mechanic, and we got Amar here helping me. Today we got a 2017 Camaro RS, and today we're gonna be replacing a headlight assembly. You can see we got a leak in the seal, a bunch of water in there. Customer wanted to go ahead and replace it, so let's go ahead and get started. We'll show you how it's done. All right, first thing we're gonna do to get this headlight removed is we're gonna have to take, unfortunately, we're gonna have to take this whole front bumper off to access the bolts to remove the headlight. So we're gonna start with removing, we got 2 Christmas tree clips here on the sides, 1, 2, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 T-bits. This is gonna be a T15. So let's go ahead and get those removed. All right, next we're gonna move all the screws that hold the bottom part of the bumper. In newer Camaros, or normally you do have regular bolts that hold this in. As you can tell, all of them are either gone or they've been replaced by wood screws. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those. This is not normal. It's not normally wood screws in here, but that's what's holding them together. So we're gonna go ahead and take those out. All right, next thing we're gonna do is, since we got all the top bolts and Christmas tree clips out and the bottom as well, we're gonna go ahead and start the car. We're gonna turn it one way, always to the left or the right, and we're gonna remove part of the wheel well fender in order to access the rest of the screws to remove the bumper.
There we go. That's a lot more profound.
All right. Ready? Next thing we're gonna do, we got three. We got 2 bolts here, that same T15, and then another Christmas tree clip. We're gonna take those out so we can get this wheel well back. All right, now we got the wheel well out. Next thing, we're gonna move these 3 bolts. We got one here, which is a 10mm, and then we're gonna have one right there. It's an 8, and then right above it, got another 8 right up there. We're gonna take those 3 out, and then we also have a zip tie right here. I'm gonna have to cut to get this side of the bumper off. Let's get to it.
Yeah, we have some good with this.
No, okay. Next thing we're gonna do is this plug right here. You gotta unplug it, because it's gonna stay when we remove the bumper. So the little red locking tab, you're gonna pull back, and then you're gonna push down, just like that. Set that to the side. All right, let's go do the other side. Okay, you got one okay, one side.
Okay.
Lip. Set that out of the way. And this bumper should just pop right up on each side. That. Just like that. Just be gentle with it. Not pop connection, you got everything disconnected. Another wood screw. Man, dude, they are putting these things everywhere. The most random places. This one isn't even necessary. I don't know why. Alright, try that again. That's popping out. That pops out. Just like that.
Yeah. Look at the car, though.
All right, for headlight removal, you're gonna want to take out your bulb. You're just gonna twist it out. Let's go to the left. It'll slide right out just like that. That's gonna be your amber light. Set that to the side. Alrighty. And then for the headlight, worry about that once we start to get it out. First thing I'm gonna do, we're gonna take this one out. You have a metal plate that goes over part of the headlight. You can't really bend it up. So we're gonna take, that's a 10 millimeter. Grab my 10. Take this out. Set that right there. Now I have access to slide this out. Next we're gonna do, you're gonna have 4 8 millimeters. You're gonna have one here, one right here, and one here on the bottom. So start taking those out. Like that, 4 out. Then I'll lift this metal just a little bit, just get by. Now lift it right out. Now last thing, I've got access to one more light here. We're gonna push this tab, red tab backwards, locking tab. What do you think? Alright, we got that tab popped out with the pick. Then we're gonna push down on that black tab right behind it right here. I'm just gonna wiggle it. Well, there we go. Last thing you're gonna have over here is where it's grabbing on. It's the light. This will just slide off just like that. And I got our headlight out. Got our new headlight here. It does come with this light here, so we don't have to remove it out the old one. So let's get it put back in. Hear the water in it. See it?
Ooh-wee. Yeah.
Alright. Same thing as we took out. We're going to start with plugging this back in. Push the lock tab in. That one's good. Alright. Next, I'm going to find our amber light here. Still good. Go and put that clip back on right where we've removed it. Just like that. Now let's get it in position. Kind of lift up on this metal again, just like that. And that'll hold it in for us temporarily. That's okay. That's okay. Alright, that's here. For 10 mil. I can reduce. Alright, we're gonna get this screw back into that headlight assembly. Same thing, we're starting over here. Wiggle top fuel, where it drops in.
Yeah, I try to do 2 or 3 minute increments of video.
Yeah, you're good. There we go. Alright, seat it all in. Then we're gonna twist it righty tighty. Till it pops right there. Okay. That one's done.
You about to rip the plastic off? Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on, go ahead and rip the plastic.
Get a close up of it. You ready?
Damn.
You can make that other one look bad now.
For real.
Oh my goodness. Right there. Yeah, right there. All right, get off. Scoot down.
Make it look good enough to sell, man. That's what everybody's trying to do. Not the same I like. Swear by the way. Yeah. And I'll like. I don't know.
Red white. That's exactly
Higgles? Higgles, yeah. Yeah, I've seen the guy was in that boutique in the one. Town. He has a full store. I don't know years, but it's a red white, bro.
that's a picture.
Full store. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah,
Check it out. This is like car show. That's again. That's 70 round. Holy bill. Ground up. 9 miles on it.
The fuck?
Take 200,000 on it.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Dude, the guy, he had a birthday, I don't know what it was, and I'm like, where did you go? He's like, I picked up off the thing, I said, what the fuck? I don't know, looking for like that, like for, you know. Yeah, so that boutique, I think it's on the truck, bro. I went there, like, but I went for like $10 one jacket. Yeah, bro, I'm like, I'm like, no, it's fucking like, same shit. And I'm like, bro, how do I expect the same business? Like, I never like, there's not that many, like, you know what I mean?
People big at this stuff,
But the only fucking return here, and then we're that shit, you know? The last thing I do, like, I'm like, man, how much shit you guys expect to sell? Yeah, look, and that's what I'm here, that shit is fucking good.
That's it. Take this guy. First thing we're gonna do is get this plugged back in. Alright, we got the thinners put back in. Everything's secured. Screws on the bottom of the bumper. Now we're just gonna do the ones at the top. Go.